Is your Jeep Cherokee's Apple CarPlay constantly cutting out on your drive? Statistics show that over 70% of infotainment disconnects are actually just faulty cables or dirty ports. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get your connection stable again. Start by inspecting your cable, cleaning your phone's charging port, and checking the Jeep's USB input for any physical damage. If the hardware is fine, look at software by updating your iPhone and checking for any pending Uconnect system updates. Sometimes you need to clear the slate by removing the device from both your phone and the Uconnect system settings. Most users find relief with a new cable, but if problems persist, you may be looking at a deeper head unit hardware failure. This chart shows how frequently cables lead the failure list compared to actual internal system faults. Plug in a different phone to isolate the issue, and if you have an OBDI scanner, check for any stored infotainment error codes. Keep a high-quality cable and a small plastic pick handy to clean ports safely without damaging components. Remember, consistency is king with digital connections, so always start with the simplest link in the chain. If these steps fixed your connection, subscribe for more Jeep Cherokee troubleshooting tips.